What is feature transformation? Welcome! Today, we're exploring feature transformation, a vital process in preparing data for machine learning. Definition: feature transformation refers to the process of converting data into a format that is more suitable for modeling. This step is essential because it helps improve the performance of machine learning algorithms. Purpose: the primary goal of feature transformation is to enhance the performance of algorithms by modifying the feature scale, distribution, or format. By transforming features, we can help models learn patterns more effectively, which can lead to better predictions. Common techniques. Let's look at some common techniques used in feature transformation. Log transformation. This method is often applied to features that are positively skewed. By taking the logarithm of the values, we can pull in the outliers and create a more normal distribution, making the data easier for models to understand. Exponential transformation. This technique is used when dealing with negatively skewed data. It can help adjust the distribution so that it resembles a more normal distribution. Polynomial features. This involves creating additional features by raising existing features to a certain power. For example, if you have a feature for age, you might create a new feature for age squared. This can help models capture more complex relationships. Binning. Binning involves grouping continuous values into discrete categories. For instance, instead of using specific ages, you might categorize individuals into age groups, like 0 to 18, 19 to 35, etc. This can simplify the model and improve training. Understanding distributions. The images on the side illustrate how transformations can help adjust the distribution of data. In both cases, transformations like log and exponential can help shape skewed data into a more normal distribution. A normal distribution is generally easier for algorithms to work with, as many algorithms assume this kind of data distribution. Conclusion: in summary, feature transformation is crucial for making your data suit the needs of machine learning algorithms. By applying techniques such as log transformation, polynomial features, and binning, you can significantly enhance model performance. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or would like to dive deeper into any of these techniques, feel free to ask.